1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Then for the crumble I have 1 cup of oats, then I have half cup of flour, half cup of brown sugar, half cup of chopped walnuts, and then 3/4 cup of butter. Step 1 is to peel the apples. So we will just peel the apples off first of all. Time to slice them. For that I'm using the apple slicer. This will give me all equal size pieces. We will add lemon juice, ginger powder, nutmeg powder, cinnamon powder, and brown sugar. Now we'll give them a mix. Apples look good. Now let's get the crumble ready. First of all, let's add the oats, flour, brown sugar, walnuts, and butter, and mix it. So the crumble is also ready. Now we will add slowly the crumble on the top. Pie is ready to go in the oven now. I have preheated the oven at 375 degrees and we'll bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes.